experiment is reveal the secret message. Science Magic! Let's go! Now we have the experiment guide: baking soda, citric acid, cup, spray butter, colorless crayon, a spoon, pH paper. Write your name or a secret message on the pH paper with the crayon. Pour 1 medium scoop of citric acid into the spray bottle. Fill the bottle about 3/4 full of warm water. Replace the cap and shake the bottle until the citric acid is dissolved. Hold the pH paper about 15 cm from the bottle. Spray where your message is written. Fill the clear cup half full of water. Add 1 medium scoop of baking soda and stir well until the baking soda is completely dissolved. Dip a cotton ball in the solution. Then dab it across your message and science magic! The pH paper will turn from red back to yellow as you neutralize the acid with the base solution. If you continue to dab the yellow parts of the paper, it will turn blue. I came to the secret message. It says lava. Why did that happen?
Acid and bases can be used to neutralize one another. When you made the pH paper red, you used an acidic solution and lowered the pH level. But by using a small amount of a basic solution, like you did with the baking soda, you raised the pH of the paper back toward neutral.
Awesome! Experiment number 2. Make it red with an acid. Let's go! This is pipette, and this spoon, cup of water, a beaker, red cabbage powder, citric acid, scissors. Fill the beaker with water to the 40 ml line. Add 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder to the water and stir until the powder is completely dissolved. The solution you just created is your indicator. Fill the clear cup half full of water. Add 1 medium scoop of citric acid to the clear cup and mix well until the powder is dissolved. This is your acidic solution. Fill your pipette with the acidic solution. Using the pipette, slowly add the acidic solution to the indicator. Stir the indicator while you add the acidic solution and science magic! The indicator will change color from purple to bright red. Why did that happen?
The red cabbage powder solution is an indicator. That means it can change color when there is a change in the pH level. So when we add the citric acid, which is the acidic solution, the pH level will drop and change it to red color.
Wow! Experiment number 3. We're gonna do make it blue with a base. Magic sign, let's go! We have beaker, water, and spoon, pipette, baking soda, red cabbage powder.
Fill the beaker with water to the 40 ml line. Add 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder to the beaker. Stir the powder well until it's all dissolved.
Beautiful, I like it. It's like, I want the color pink.
It's purple.
Yeah, well, why is the color pink?
And you have a purple liquid. This is your indicator. Fill the clear cup half full of water. Add 1 medium scoop of baking soda to the cup and mix well until the liquid is clear. This is your base solution. Fill your pipette with the base solution. Stir the indicator with the scoop while dripping in the base solution.
Whoa, look at the color.
Wow! That's amazing, Michelle. How is taking color so nice?
And science magic! The indicator will change color from purple to a nice deep blue. Why did that happen?
In this experiment, we're using the same red cabbage powder, which is the indicator. So, when we add baking soda solution, which is an alkaline solution, the pH level will rise and it will change color to blue.
It's awesome!
Alright guys, that's it for today. If you want to see more experiments like this, don't forget to like, share,